on the bottom of the app, yeah, the record this meeting, yes. So after that, we'll tell you what to do. Okay, will Munawar and Nasir will help you what to do.
Okay, okay. To upload that.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
But it seems like it's recording, right? It says like the.
Yeah, it's recording, no problem. Okay. So before that, we'll discuss some scenarios because it will take some 10-15 minutes to connect it. So let's discuss the scenario. So far you have understood the lookup and everything, right? So I have the data something like this: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. So and I want the output 1. Some records I have discussed already. So these are the outputs. This is the output. We want 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is what I want. Another output. And I want another output is 4. Yeah. Now go ahead and tell me how to get these 3 outputs from this source. This is one question. The other question is I have 10, 100 A, 10, 200 B, 20, 200 A, 20, 400 B. And I want the output 10, 200 A, 10, 200 B, 20, 400 A, 20, 400. Yes, come on. Then let's come with the first question. So I have the data like this. First, what you will do? You go one by one. First, what you will do? Manjula? Are you all there?
I'm here, sir.
Manjula, Prasad, Nasir, Nasim, Munawar. Am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, right? Sharif? Okay. So now tell me, this is the source. First, what you will do? What is the first stage you will use? What is the first stage you will use here?
I will use a sort command, sort stage.
Sort stage on ID. That's cool. After that,
Then allow duplicates equal to true.
okay, so if you keep allow duplicates is equal to true, that's there automatically. That's the default one,
Yeah.
right? Then
Next, I will create a key change column.
So in the sort itself, you will use a create key change column, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I will use a filter condition.
So you create a key change column. So once you create a key change column, what would be the output? Tell me the output. Because everyone should know the output of the create key change column.
It will create a column by name key change.
No, that's not. What would be the output? So it will be 1.
100
So for the first record, it will always be 1.
1. Yeah.
Then for the second records onwards,
0
1, 0. The third record onwards,
1 0
1, 0. So the similar way, 2,
2 and 1.
1. In the similar way, 2 and 0. And the similar fashion, 3 and 1. Similar fashion, 3 and 0. This is what we discussed already, but again we are discussing just to recap 4 and 1. Now what you will use?
Filter condition.
Now we'll use filter stage, and
Okay.
I'll keep that key change column
Good.
is equal to 0 for one link, and another link key change column is equal to 2 links. This is for the first link, first output, and in the second output key change column is equal to 1 for second output, right? Now what would be the output coming from the this one? So you will get 0 means 1, 1, 2, comma 3. When you say 1 means I will get 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one of the output. Now I have got only this one, 1, 1, 2, 3, and let's take another output also, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got only two outputs, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what about 1, 2, 3 and 4? What about the 1, 2, 3 and 4? How would I get it? Munawar, Angela? I mean, do I need to ask everyone personally? If you know the answer, you should speak out.
Can we again use a filter stage on the second output?
Okay. Okay. What you will write down in the filter? What you will
Less
write down,
than
sir?
less than 4 and reject stage.
What? What you will write?
ID less
Don't
than.
hard code anything. Don't hard code
Yeah.
anything. So if you hard code 4, then what if tomorrow I got something like 4, 5 here, and I want the output saying that 4 and 5. Don't hard code anything. Okay? Try to understand. Understand the concept and understand the output. Every time you look at the output and see the input, how the input is being converted into the output, that you find out. How the input is converted into the output. If you find out that, then you will get the answer. Don't just look at the output and try to use all the stages and get it out. So when you see the output like this 1 2 3, what exactly we are doing to get this 1 2 3, and when you see this output 4 and 5, what exactly from the input how it is coming. So you can say where there is no record duplicated for 4 and 5, I am getting the output 4 and 5. Where there are some duplicates, I am getting 1 2 3. Now how would you say this is a duplicate? This is a duplicate you are saying because when you say the count of 3, you are getting greater than 1, right? Now understood?
Yeah. Yes,
So when
yes.
you are counting the numbers, 1 is having 3 values, 2 is having 2, 3 is having 2, but 4 and 5 is having only 1 1. So wherever 1 1 is there, I am getting 4 and 5. Wherever more than 1 is there, I am getting those values. So very simple. So what you need to do is, instead of the sort stage first, use the copy stage, give one link to the sort, and another link to, what is the other link?
Aggregator.
Aggregator. Give another link to aggregator. From copy, you give another link to the aggregator. Okay? Now from the aggregator, in the aggregator, what you would do?
Group by ID
What are you,
column.
okay, group by on which field? Group by on which field you will be doing that?
Only one column. ID column.
ID. Then what is the aggregation type you will be using?
Count. Count of those.
Yes, aggregation type would be count.
Count.
Then you will be using the count calculation. Now what would be the output once you do this aggregator and you get the output saying that 1, 3,
2.
2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 1. Now what you can use? Filter. Again here, two outputs. One is the count column greater than 1. That will come as 1, 2, 3. And the other filter is count column equals to 1. Now you will get the output 4, 5. Have you got the 4 outputs? Nasim,
Yes.
understood?
Yes.
Nasir? Nasir
Yes,
sir,
yes,
understood?
yes, sir.
Can I expect this mapping tomorrow? As anyways you are not going to have classes, right? Can I expect this mapping, this
Yes,
job?
yes, sir. Sure.
So Monday, when we start, before that I want to see this job, then only we'll start.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's discuss about the second one. Now discuss about the second one. Think what exactly we are doing here and how to get that one. Manjula, Manjula, are you there?
Here, I'm here.
No, I'm not able to hear you. Can you just speak louder?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So tell me how to do that. What is the first step you will do? Come on, I need an answer. What is the first step you will use? What is the first stage you will use?
Joint,
What?
joint.
Join.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the prerequisite for join?
Look up.
Look up. So tell me what is the prerequisites for the lookup and join? How many links you should have?
Two.
Then where is the two links? Only one link is there, right? One source is there. Right or wrong, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then
And I think it's sort.
first you will sort on which field?
Sort on column.
Sir, don't say that. Obviously you will do sort on column only. What is the
ID.
column name? Yeah, so sort on ID. Okay, now you sorted, the output is like this only because I have given you in the sorted format itself. Okay. But anyways, you sorted it and you got the output. Okay, now,
I think funnel. I'm using funnel.
Munawar, don't just say something, some stage. Funnel also, what is the prerequisite?
The minimum two links should be there.
Then where are the two links?
Okay.
No, you only saying the answer and you are only confusing, right? Then why to say that answer just before think it? When you are saying funnel, what is the prerequisite? Two links. Are there two links? No. Then no funnel. When you are saying join, are there two links? No. Then join. Now, no one? So guys, practicing only the stage is not enough. I'm telling you. In interviews, these are the questions they are going to ask. So, first you will sort, then you will use aggregator. Now once you use aggregator and group by on the ID, then you will use the aggregation type as calculation, and then you will get the maximum output column. So what would be the output you will get here? 10, 200, and then 20, 400. So this is the output which you are getting. From the aggregator, one output link is coming. Now you want 10-200A, 10-200B, 2400A, 2400B. But you have got only two records, 10-200 and 2400. Now what to do to get duplicates? This is duplicate. A and B is different. Leave it. Now how to get this 200, 10-200? Okay. Now again when you see that A and B, okay, now A and B is also coming. Now till this aggregator output, nowhere you can see the A and B. The only way which you can see the A and B is again from the source. Right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The A and B you can see only in the source, but till this aggregator output, nowhere you are seeing the A and B. Now the aggregator output link is one link, and if I use again the source as another link, the source as another link. So two links have come over here. Now what should I use? Now can anyone tell me?
Copy.
So the aggregator output is one link, and again I am using the source as another link. Now what should I use? So the output of the aggregator is, the data which is coming is like this, 10, 200, 20, 400. And the source is the same, 10, 100, this is the source. 200B, all those things will there in the source. So if you want, I will write it down, 10, 100A. Please tell me, what would be the stage to use and how the output will come?
Joins.
Okay, join stage. Then you tell me in the join what exactly you will use. You said join stage. It's okay. Now how would you map and all the stuff I want? So you said join stage. I'm okay. Let's use with join. So you will use join stage. Which link you will link first? And what type of join you will use? And how the linking you will be doing? All those things you need to tell me. Sir,
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you only.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone? He said join, it's fine. Now what is the link which I will connect first? And what type of join I will use? And how the linking order to the output I will be making that? How the mapping links I will be doing that? So three answers I need.
Left auto join and ID.
Left outer join?
and use ID column.
Okay, that is fine. Joining key is ID column, which I agree. But why did you say left outer join? Do you see any necessity of left outer join here?
Because there is a data value, data type, the same value is the data.
Hmm?
Data value is same.
What data value? What is the data value which you are talking about?
It's 10, 10, 20, 20,
Sir,
10,
can
10,
we
10.
just,
So
I'm
ID
sorry.
is same. That is what you are saying, right? 10, 20, 10, 20. That is what you are saying? IDs are same?
Yes.
Then why do you use left outer? When the IDs are same, then what is the purpose of using left outer?
Sir, can I use 10 comma 200 as joining key and use a right outer join?
10 comma 200.
Sorry, the ID column and the next column as a joining key and use a right outer join.
How would you, what values you will get? Can you just tell me, my friend?
10 200 in the first column and the right. Okay, 10 200. Oh, it's 10 200. Oh, sorry. 10 200B will be coming, but 10 200A will not be coming.
Then guys, we have spent 3 to 4 days on class joins only, joins, lookup and all those stuff. Still you people are not able to answer like what type of join I need to use. All those stuff. Then how will you learn? Manjula,
Yes.
it's not, I am taking an attendance. Every time when I ask someone, yes, yes, yes. Have you practiced on join?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yeah, practice.
Yeah, practice. Then what type of join you will use to get those values? Nasir sir, you should
We will
answer
use
me.
full outer join.
Okay, you will use full outer join. I mean, see, full outer, left outer, right outer, normal. All four will give me the same result in this particular scenario. Okay, I'm happy that if you use left outer join also it will work. If you use right outer join also it will work. If you use full outer join also it will work. If you use normal join also it will work. But is there any necessity of using full outer join? That is what I am asking you the question. Without that necessity, we will not use the full outer join for the namesake, right?
Yes.
When it is giving you the output with normal join, then why would you go and use the left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join? Right or wrong? If you use inner join, what would be the output? Nasir? Nasir? Is he not there?
I'm here, sir.
If I use inner join, what would be the output? Oh my god, again you forgot the inner join. Prasad,
through inner join we will be getting two 10 rows. If you're joining on ID column, we will be getting two 10 rows.
Then what about 20?
Yeah, 20 also
20
two.
also?
Two.
20 also 2. So if I do inner join, I will get two 10s and two 20s. So then instead of mapping this salary column from the source, if I map this salary from the aggregator, then I will get 10 200, 10 200, 20 400, 20 400, right?
Yeah.
Then if I map this group column, whatever the name I have given, if I map this one, then I will get A, B, A, B. Right or wrong? Shall I show it? Do you want me to show it, or will you practice and you will come back?
We will try.
Munawar,
Please show it again. So.
you don't want to try at all, right?
Okay, we'll try. You can show the camera.
Sorry?
No, I will try.
If I ask this way, you will say I will try. If I ask that way, then you will ask me to show. What is this here? You people should be comfortable with normal stages at least. At least you people should be comfortable with normal stages. But still I don't see no one is comfortable. This will take a lot of time. Okay. Anyways, I need to restart the machine again. Okay. I think I cannot show it today. So what I'm trying to say is, see, there are two columns. One is from the aggregator. I'm getting the columns ID and max underscore sal. Now here I am having three columns ID, sal, comma, group. Okay. So you link. So this link I will say left link, and this link I will say right link. Okay. So for the join, you link left link first. First left. Okay. Then you link the first. Then you link the right. Then you do inner join on ID. You do inner join on ID. Then what happens? So once you do the inner join on ID, you will get two 10s, two 20s, two 30s. So now, so that is the output. Now once you come, you need to come to the output mapping, right? So you will get how many columns once you do the inner join? The columns will come something like this. ID will be coming 1, salary you will be getting, group you will be getting, and also max underscore sal you will be getting. Yes or no? In the join. In the output mapping, you will be getting these four fields because ID and ID are same, so you will get only one ID.
One more.
Salary group you will get, max underscore sal you will get. Now once you map it to the output, you map ID. Instead of the sal, you map max underscore sal and you map group. That's all. Clear, sir? Friends, clear? That is what I am trying to say. So while mapping, you just map that in that way. That's all. Okay, ID max underscore sal group. I'm going to send this one, and you please try it and show me it. Okay. Have you all opened your desktops and your data stage?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Nasim, is that open?
Yeah, yes. Actually, if you want to log in my computer, you can check it. Because I was thinking, like, some you guys have an issue. So I ran mine and it's working right now.
Okay, log in into that.
I'm already logged in, sir.
Already logged in.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I checked the services was because I didn't shut off my computer the last 3 days, 4 days. So the services then.
No, but
Yes.
the services is on, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So open the datastage designer and connect it. So if it is connecting, then let me know.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, you can share your screen. I have already given you the presenter.
I clicked on it. Can you see it or no?
Is everyone able to see?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
Correct. So I sent you the mail. Open the mail, everyone, and try to implement what did I said here.
One question I have to ask, sir. Like
Yeah, you can go ahead.
I cannot see my palette here. I mean, I went to the view and I click on it, but you can it's
What
all
you cannot see?
the palette
Can anyone tell him where to see the palette?
is under
Click
the
on
Go
view.
to the first.
When you open the job,
Click on view. Yeah, you will see the palette when you open the job. That's true.
oh, okay.
Digital talent.
Clear?
Under repository, we have palette, which is minimized. I think it's maximized.
It will not be under the repository, it will be under the view. What did Nasi said is correct. If you open the job, then only you can see the palette.
Okay.
Because the
Okay.
palette is confined to each job. If it is a parallel job, different palette will come. If it is a sequence job, different palette will come.
Okay.
So you need to open a job, then only.
Okay. How to extend this screen? Because kind of I tried.
On the top left, there are screen options.
Under the file or
No, above that, there should be another.
like above the bar is it like IBM InfoSphere Datastage?
No, above that, where you have the VM, there is a screen option over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right next to it. Yeah, this one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
But it still is not.
Now you can increase it over here by clicking in the right, where the X is right next to it.
Oh,
Below. Come down.
I'm sorry. What?
Okay. Yeah, now you can expand this screen by clicking next to the X. Lower one, lower screen. Okay. Yeah, this one.
It's not expanding. I did try it, so this is in a full extended mode.
do the above one. I think you were, when clicking on the above one, something was happening.
This one?
Okay, okay, that's fine. I mean, let's do it the other way later on.
Okay.
So try to do that. Open the join.
Okay, first open the job.
So I have sent you the mail. Do the second one. Can someone guide what to do?
Open a parallel job.
Go to new, there you click on the parallel job.
You all open the notepad. You all open your mail and see what I have sent and copy that in a notepad and then guide him.
Here's the job.
Was that? Control S first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Control.
need to save the give them
What the name and convention will be?
Give it aggregator. Let's just save it. Now you see you got the palette.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, so now you're gonna pull a sequential file. No, first you're gonna pull the
Use a
order.
sequential stage. Okay, yep.
First you create the file, then only you can use it as a file stage, right?
Okay.
And I want everyone input. Munawar, Sharif, everyone speak it out. Whatever you know, just tell him.
Okay.
Go to your local C drive or local file system.
Yes, like that. So that everyone will understand what exactly we need to do.
I'm in the C drive.
Open a file here. You can't open a new file.
Open a folder for file.
Yes, you can use. You can create a
Create a folder, right?
text file here.
Yeah, create a new folder with the name files.
the files.
In the meanwhile, by telling him if your system is also open, try to practice there. If not, then help him.
Open Notepad now.
New ended text file,
New text document.
text document.
So what?
Give some name.
I'm sorry.
Input.txt. Input.txt. Input just in. Enter.
I'm sorry. Input
You
that.
can remove .txt.
Can you repeat that, Prasad, please?
Yeah, you can remove .txt.
Yeah, go ahead.
Remove the .txt is saying, because you already are asking
In the
for a
text.
text file. So just give it in the name input.
I'm not understanding. I'm sorry again.
Just give the name input. Remove .txt. Yeah, that's it. Click enter. Yeah, it's already an input.txt file.
Okay.
Okay, now open this file and you can give the values.
10. Type 10
Okay.
space 100 space A. Enter. Next line. Yeah. 10 200 B. Next line. 20 200. Yeah.
A,
20. 400.
400.
Yeah.
B,
B. Save and close it. Enter. Next slide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
Save
is
and
like
close it.
file save. Now go to data state. You will go to file. On the palette, you see file down, go down, file. Now click on sequential file and drag it. Yeah, the sequential file, just drag it.
right click on
Now,
Right click and drag it.
it, drag the link.
Right click.
now first pull the extension.
It's like,
Drag line, right?
Yeah,
yeah,
drag
Yeah.
There you go.
Right click on that.
I,
Yeah. Double click on the sequential file.
Now you have to
enter onto the file, click onto the file.
click on file. Click on file. Now give the file name over there on the right hand side.
That's like the C colon files. Input the text.
Hard coded or what?
C colon backslash.
C colon
Dash,
backslash.
File.
Forward slash.
files, slash,
Forward slash.
input dot txt.
Backslash or forward slash?
Yeah,
Backslash.
You're fine. You're fine. Carry on.
All right. Dot .txt, right?
TXT.
input dot txt.
Input, right?
Input dot txt, right?
What's going on?
Yeah. What's the file?
Double click onto the file. It will save.
Sir, see the folder name, everything. Don't just type on your own. C should be capital.
You can copy it from the
Yeah, you copy it from that particular address. Click on the address bar.
here in the
Up.
top.
How can you give 10 space, 100 space A? Okay, do you give like that? What is the delimiter you will give?
No.
Yeah, I'm sorry. 10 comma 100. So,
I think if you continue to do that, then it will take the whole day, I guess. Give me the access. Try to understand what I am doing. So you never practiced, I think, right, Nasim?
What's that, sir?
What?
I'm sorry. What did you say, sir?
I'm saying you never practiced it.
No. I just most of the time I review the video, sir.
Then it won't help you, sir. I'm saying you very clearly. If you don't practice, by looking at the video, no one will become master. Not even master, not even you won't understand what is data stage. You have to practice. Please get some time. I know you people are very busy, but take some time and practice. Save it. So this is what, I mean, some delimiter you need to use. Now, once you come to here files, copy this, and the file name is capital I input.txt. Just remember that. Go here, paste it, slash I capital input dot txt.
Many slashes.
Yeah, yeah.
That
Is
input
that right?
also. No. Input also.
Many keys in there.
Three things are spelling.
Fine?
No,
No.
you're missing a P and then too many T's at the end.
Three.
No, fine?
So now two is good. Two okay. Oh, it's okay.
Is that fine now?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Input.txt. Okay? Now click on the format, go to the delimiter
Five.
and change it to the
Fine.
5. Do you need quotes?
No.
Remove it.
Come to the columns and give it as ID, name, salary, right?
ID.
Salary and group. No, that's fine.
Their
So,
ID also three.
no, that's fine. Any name I can give it, right? Let it be. So the
Okay.
ID is integer, salary is also integer, and the group is varchar. That's fine. Come to the properties once again and see whether you have got everything. Now if you want to view the data, you can view the data. So you can see whether the file name and the format and everything you have given properly or not. Now you got the data whatever you have given. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now close it and cancel it. Oh, oh my God, what the mistake I have done.
You're working with us, sir.
Yeah, I'm behaving like you.
Two dots came.
Fine, right?
Delimited type. Actually.
Okay? So input.txt and everything is fine. Now press OK. Now after that, what is the stage?
Copy stage.
Why copy, sir?
One will go to aggregator and
Right.
okay, it's not
Good.
good. Okay.
Right, good. One will go to the aggregator and another thing will come to the join.
Fine.
So get the copy stage. From the copy stage, drag a link and we drag one link out. Pass the same output to both the links. Click on the columns above and drag it. Go to the other link, click on these columns, this one, and drag it. So you will get all the columns. Now press OK. So both are having. Now you would use aggregator. So the aggregator output, drag the output. Now you would use, so click on the aggregator. What is that? Double click on the aggregator. What is the grouping field you will use?
ID.
You will use ID. What is the aggregation type?
Count.
Calculation.
Calculation.
See the notepad. You have iPhone. You open the notepad. You see that and understand. And tell me. What is the column for calculation?
Maximum.
What is the column for calculation?
Salary. Salary.
Salary. And what is that I will be using? Maximum value output. What is the column name I will write down?
Maximum salary. Underscore salary.
Now once you come to the output, I will drag these two. Right? In the columns, instead of double, I will make it to.
Integer.
Now I got the output. And what is the other thing which I missed out? Is there anything I missed out?
Hash partitioning.
Very good. Go to the input.
Click on the
Hash.
Perform sort.
You need to click on the salary.
ID.
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 On the ID. Now press.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right. Now come to the join. So which link I said I need to connect first? Connect this one first.
Aggregate.
Then connect this one second. Okay?
So the copy link we connected first, right?
Right. Now, if you see, the copy link name will be the left link and the right link is DS link 10. So that is from the aggregator. Now what should we do? Key should be ID,
ID.
right? Only one ID has come. Now key is ID. Now after that what should I do?
Join type. Inner join.
Join type is inner join. Then after that,
Input.
put
Then again to partition type.
right. So aggregation, I mean join also requires the hash partitioning. So again you need to do the hash. Okay, perform sort. Okay, now coming to the DS link 10. Okay, now here there is a tricky point. Now coming to the DS link 10, do I need to hash partitioning again? Because it's already been partitioned in the aggregator. Now the data is coming from the aggregator. So the partitioned data only coming from the aggregator. Again, do I need to do the hash partitioning? So no, already the data is partitioned, and if the data is coming the same, so instead of using the hash partitioning, you can use same partitioning. You can use same partitioning. So same partitioning means, so whatever the partitioning it has done in the hash, I mean in the aggregator before, the same partitioning will be continued over here. Clear?
Yes.
So here also if you observe, I have used two hash partitionings here. Now can I avoid these two hash partitionings and I can do one hash partitioning here and I can use same and same here, right?
Okay.
Clear? I can do the hash partitioning at the copy stage itself, and I can do the same partitioning in the aggregator and the same partitioning in the join.
Sure.
Can I use it or not?
Yes.
That's the performance tips. So just remember, if the hash partitioning is done at one stage, and if you're using the same output you're using as an input to other things. See here, from the aggregator you're using the output to the other input, then the same partition data is only flowing. So no need to put again hash partitioning. Okay, so you can just put same partitioning. Now you drag the link output. Now you see what are the fields you will be getting as an output. So you see ID, sal, name, max underscore sal. So instead of that, just bring ID. Instead of max sal, you just bring max of sal. That is what I said, right? In the group, you just bring the name, whatever it is. That's all. That's okay. And connect to the file. Is this what I said? Now you open it.
So,
I don't bother about the format and all the stuff. We can see it later. Now, so the data is got partitioned in the join. Okay. Now sequential file cannot preserve the partitioning because sequential file will always be sequential. Now we will be getting a warning. I will show you that. When we are running, you will get one warning saying that sequential file cannot preserve the partitioning. Okay. Now in order to suppress that particular warning, we have to do one simple thing. I'll show you. So we are running that. So let's open the run director. Now you can observe here. So 4, 2, 4, all those stuff. So this is the one which you have done. Go to the log. And you can observe here, sequential operator cannot preserve the partitioning. That is what it is saying. Can you see here?
Yes.
Sequential file 14, and somewhere it is saying delimiter for field ID not found, input empty, at offset something it is saying. Okay, import warning at 04, import successful, unsuccessful. So 4 months, 4 imported, 1 record rejected. Why is that? So let me see each and everything. So first, that preserve partitioning issue, you can just double click on this and you can go to the advanced, and here you see preserve partitioning, you can clear this. So if you clear this, then this particular warning will not come. Try to understand. Whenever you are doing a hash partitioning and you are creating a flat file, so press OK. You are hash partitioning and you are creating a flat file, then this particular issue will come, warning will come. A sequential operator cannot preserve the partitioning. Guys, in interview questions, they will ask you what are the different warnings you have seen and how you have eradicated it. Try to remember all these warnings. And how did you remove this? So this warning you have removed it by clicking on the previous stage, whatever the previous stage you have, by clicking on that and click the advanced and clear the partitioning. So the partition will be cleared and you will ignore that particular warning. Now coming to here, sequential file 0 and sequential file 14. Now 14, do we have any? Okay, so maximum underscore salary is coming as yes. Okay, so let's make it as a no. Press OK, because you won't be getting the maximum salary blank, right? So some salary, some value you will be getting. So instead of the yes, just make it as a no. That's okay. So we have done it here, means the join also. You need to check it out. So the maximum salary underscore, the max underscore salary is no. Come to the input, see the other column, other link. It's no, that's fine. Now, what are the other warnings? Sequential file 0, something is coming, right? So let's see the input data. So 10, 100 A, B, 10, 200 B. Okay, so I have given two, see here, one blank line I have there, so that's the reason it is just ignoring it. So just delete it and give only one enter after the end of the record. Just press one enter, don't press two enters. Now there are two enters, that's the reason that issue is coming. Now I pressed only one enter and I am saving this. Now I am executing it again. I can execute from the director itself. Okay, no need to go to the designer and do that. If the director is open, so I can execute here. Just press this button. And then run it.
No need to compile again.
No, is it aborted? No, right? If it is aborted, then only you need to compile. It just finished with the log. So no need to compile it.
Oh.
Just run it. So again some errors are coming, some warnings are coming. So some warnings got eradicated and some warnings are still coming, right? Cannot preserve the partitioning. Still, we did it, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I need to compile it because I did the change in the join. I'm very sorry. I did the changes, right?
Yes, sir.
So I need to compile it. Okay, if I haven't done the changes, then that's fine. So for the first warning, why, for the other warning, why it got removed? Because I have done the changes in the file. I have not done the changes in the job. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But for the preserve partitioning, I have done the changes in the job. So when you are doing the changes in the job, you have to compile it again. So I am compiled and now see the warning. Are there warning preserve partitioning?
No.
Guys, so you can see couple of warnings we have removed. One is in the sequential file stage. After the end of the record, you just need to press only enter. No double enters. And whenever you are loading data into the sequential file stage with the partitioned data, so if you don't want that warning, you can clear the preserve partitioning in the advanced tab. Now these are the warnings which you are getting while implicit conversion. Okay, the maximum salary is coming as double and you are converting into the integer. So for this you need to do some explicit conversion, then only you will remove this warning. So we can see that later on, but as of now you are clear, whatever we can remove, we have removed it. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is a simple job. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay. So again, when are we connecting? I am going to send you 2 more assignments during the weekend. So now itself I will send you. So try to do that. Whatever we have discussed so far, the same only we will be discussing. And I am saying next week we will be completing the data stage. 1 or 2 classes here and there in the next month, but max we will be completing. So try to concentrate because the transformer is the biggest, the complex one. So if you people can connect tomorrow, that would be great, so that I can complete some of the stages. And we can discuss the transformer for a couple of days in the next week, and then the sequences.
You want to hold the class tomorrow, or what do you want to do?
I want to take the class tomorrow so that I can complete modify CDC, those stuffs. So we can have at 8 o'clock if you people are free.
I will be available.
Yes, I'll be available.
8 o'clock would be fine, right? Not on 7:30. 8 o'clock. Let's take it at 8 o'clock.
No props.
Okay. So let's have class at 8 o'clock. We'll discuss about stages, max as many as possible, and we'll start the transformer from Monday. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Somebody's gonna let you know how to upload that video.
I think Munawar can help you or Nasir can help you.
Okay.